In this video, we'll be changing the pump drive belt on the Spyker R.O.S. 5 Ride On Spreader. Please note, if using an electric torque wrench, set the torque to around 20 pounds for best results. Step 1. Remove the fan guard by unscrewing the 3 5/16 inch bolts. Step 2. Remove the skid plate by unscrewing the 4 1/2-inch bolts from underneath. Step 3. Remove the rubber gaskets holding the forward and reverse lines in place, and slide the forward and reverse lines out of the side of the skid plate. Step 4. Remove the skid plate to access the belt and pulleys. Step 5. Remove the 2 7/16 inch bolts connecting the tensioner bracket to the frame, and move the tensioner bracket over to gain access to the engine pulley. Step 6. Unhook the idler pulley from the belt. Step 7. Unhook the spring from the idler pulley bracket. Step 8. Unhook the belt from the engine pulley. Step 9. Pull the belt through the top of the sulky where the fan guard was removed. Step 10. Install the new belt through the top of the sulky and around the transaxle pulley. Step 11. Hook the new belt to the engine pulley. Step 12. Hook the spring back to the idler pulley bracket. Step 13. Now hook the belt to the idler pulley. Step 14. Replace the 2 7/16 inch bolts attaching the idler pulley support bracket back to the frame. Step 15. Reattach the bottom skid plate with the 4 1/2-inch bolts from underneath. Step 16. Slide the forward and reverse lines back into the side of the skid plate, and secure the forward and reverse lines back to the skid plate with the rubber gaskets. Step 17. Reattach the fan guard with the 3 5/16 inch bolts. Congratulations, your pump drive belt change is now complete.